I started an apprenticeship here at Kelly Engineering back in about 2004. Since then I've been able to complete my trade and learn a lot of different skills along the way that has helped me in a career pathway that's taken me into a production manager. I've been lucky enough to travel the world with it, visiting Japan for lean manufacturing. I've been able to then travel into the USA and different areas of the business. It's a very rewarding role that base foundation of a trade background has now opened up many doors that take me in a lot of different career pathways. To be able to go into work and be presented a problem and come up with some really creative solutions is pretty rewarding. One key thing I think we're looking at in any apprenticeship that applies at Kelly's is having a desire to be inquisitive and to solve complex problems. If you've got those principles, we can sort of teach anyone the skills of welding, for example. Highly recommend a trade, and don't look at it as just a trade, it's just the beginning of something greater.